So you got the True Beauty Glow device and want to make sure that you're using it right. Let's go step by step. First, start with a clean face. Before anything, wash your face. No makeup, no oils. You want a fresh base so the device works its magic. Second, apply a conductive gel. Some models work best with VC Room or gel to help the microcurrent or LED penetrate deeper. Check your manual to see if your device needs it. Third, power it up and select your mode. The device usually has different settings: LED light, microcurrent, or heat therapy. Choose based on what you're targeting. Red light is for anti-aging and collagen boost. Blue light is for fighting acne and breakouts. Microcurrent to lips and firms the skin. Fourth step, glide it gently. Move the device in slow upward strokes on your cheeks, forehead, and jawline. No harsh pressing. You're lifting and not scrubbing. Lastly, use it consistently. Results take time. Use it 3 to 5 times or a week for best results. Always apply moisturizer after. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.